Save yourself. Save your child.
Yeah? Why should I fucking believe you, huh?
I made a promise. I swore. The child would be safe.
Фотография твоя, горят воспоминания.
The final round has begun.
Тебе
You now have 10 minutes.
камина в 6 утра, разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.
We are not horses. We are humans.